Let's see what we are to expect for the day on gold. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Guys, Invest Social is a community. It is a community where you can share your ideas, you can share your strategy, you can connect with traders of like-minded people. You can also get to learn or hear what experts are literally saying or what they think and what they are anticipating. It is also a community that has a section for any financial market we trade, be it the Forex or the stocks or the commodities or the indices markets. It has a section for each of these. To be part of this community, visit investsocial.com. This is going to be our trend for the day on gold. I believe gold will come push up to a level of 4430. So this will be our next target, which means we are to expect gold to give us a buy to a level of 4430. Why are we going to be anticipating for that movement? It's very simple. Gold is in an uptrend move right here. Now, pay attention to these levels right here, guys. Market was able to get to this resistance zone. Then when it got to the resistance, it rejected and came back to tap our support zone. Market then was able to come back to this resistance zone. It rejected and then market was able to come back again. Now you can see that this is moving like a support and a resistance level. Market then rejected from the resistance and dropped back to this support zone. Market eventually rallied back up to this resistance. Now we are to expect it, of course, to drop back to this support zone. That is in the long run, right? That is what we are going to be expecting in the long run. But first, I believe markets will come back to test a level of 4430. Now that should now drop to our 1 hour time frame. Now pay attention to this, your 1 hour time frame. This is the high. You can see it right here. And this is your pullback level. This is also the high right here. You can see that took out this previous high. Now here comes the pullback level. This is also the high. You can see that this high took out this previous high right here. Here is a pullback level. So I believe one more push up will likely play out to a level 4430. Around that level 4430, once markets can hit it, of course, I'm going to do an update and let you guys know. One more thing, guys, always remember your buyers should always be flexible. It is not every time markets will give you what it wants, what you expect it to give you or what you are predicting it, right? It is not every time. So just make sure your buyers are very flexible. So if you find this video very helpful, make sure you visit investsocial.com to stay connected and to also share your own idea and strategy and what you think will likely play out for the day.